my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. So for today's video I am going to share my everyday summer makeup look which I have been loving to do recently. It is a very minimalist makeup look. Also I am going to share a hack for your eyes in the end of this video, so stay tuned. Make sure you watch this video till the end. And like always, I have mentioned all the products down below in the description box. Now without wasting any time, let's get into the video.
I have already prepped my skin. Now I'm gonna jump in with my eyebrow pencil to fill in. Next I'm using a primer. It is a pore filling primer. Now I'm going to take the concealer to cancel out any darkness underneath my eye. Next I'm taking another concealer to add some brightness and even the skin tone. Now I am going to move on to my foundation. Time to blend the foundation. Next I am using a loose powder to set the whole makeup. It is an essential part of your makeup, especially in summers. Now I am taking a wide angled brush. I am taking a dark shade of brown. I am making a short little wing. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now with the help of a wet Q-tip, I am making that line sharp. Next I am using a fluffy brush like this. Now you can take any light shade of your choice. I am going over the top of the brow bone on the edges. Now I am taking a dry Q-tip to clean underneath my eyebrow. Next I am using a light shade right underneath in the ends of my eyebrow. Next I am finishing off my eye makeup with lots and lots of mascara. Time for some contour. And a little blush. Finishing off this look with some nude lipstick. So this is my final look. I hope you like this look, and please do not forget to like, share and comment. Also do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next week. Bye.